Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper mouse. So this is a very easy way of making a mouse and it can also be used as a home decor for Vinayagar Chathurthi. So before we start, I have a question for you. Can anyone say why we use the mouse as the vehicle for Lord Ganesha? So if you know the answer, please comment in the comment section below and I'll tell you the answer in the middle of my video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity we need a rectangular strip of paper. So we're supposed to cut it at the edges to make it curved. So next step is that we're supposed to take a glue bottle and we're supposed to apply some glue at the corner part of this paper. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to stick it on top of this. So I'm just going to apply some more glue so it sticks well. So we have to do this slowly. I'm taking brown because the mice will look good in brown. You guys can take any color you like. So after we complete this, I'm just going to take two eyes. So I already made these eyes. You can make it if you want, or you can leave it like that to make it more realistic. So now I'm just going to apply some glue behind these eyes and I'm going to stick it onto the mice. So I'm sticking it on top of the mice like this. We have to stick it slowly like this. So we should not stick it on the bottom because we have to stick the whiskers on the bottom part. So after we complete this, I made 3 black strips of white paper and I colored them in black. You guys can make it. So we just have to stick the other 2 strips on top of the first one. So I'm applying some glue on the center of the first one. And I'm taking one more black paper and I'm sticking it on top of it. And I'm applying some more glue on top of the paper that we stuck now. And I'm sticking the other part as well. So now we're just supposed to apply some glue behind this part and we're supposed to stick it on the mice. So I'm applying some glue like this. Now we have to stick this onto the mice. After we complete this, I'm just drawing a small oval size black figure. You guys can draw it and I'm applying some glue behind this part. Next, I'm sticking this on top of the black whiskers like this. So now I'm just taking 2 ears for the mice. I'm just going to take a black marker and coloring them on the bottom part in black so it will look more beautiful and colorful. So I'm using black because black is more close to brown. If you guys take any other color, you can take any color that will be more attractive and good looking for the color you are taking. So after we do this, I'm just going to fold the paper a little bit on the bottom to stick it. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite part as well. So now I'm applying some glue on the bottom part here and I'm sticking this onto the mice. So we have to stick it slowly like this. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well and I'm sticking it onto the mice. So now I'll be telling you the answer to the riddle I asked at the first. So the answer is the mouse represents ego and Lord Ganesha is using the mouse as the vehicle because this represents that we all have to know that we have to control our ego and we should not let it grow. So I'm sticking this part like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a rectangular strip of paper like this and I'm just making a small circle at the corner part and you're supposed to stick this on back part of the mice. So I'm applying some glue on the mice and I'm sticking it behind it. So you can stick it anywhere you like. I'm sticking it like this. So you can make it more colorful and attractive if you like. So now our paper mice is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!